5. Morning habits that are silently wrecking your gut. Did you know that 70% of your immune system and 90% of your body's serotonin, the feel-good hormone, are actually located in your gut? Most of us start our day thinking we're making healthy choices. But in reality, we are unknowingly destroying our microbiome before the clock even hits 9 a.m. If you struggle with bloating, brain fog, or low energy, your morning routine is likely the culprit. In this video, we're breaking down the 5 common morning habits you need to stop right now to save your gut health. Habit number 1 is something millions of us do: reaching for that cup of coffee the moment we wake up on an empty stomach. While coffee has benefits, drinking it without food triggers a massive release of cortisol, the stress hormone. More importantly, it stimulates acid production in an empty stomach, which can damage your gut lining over time and lead to indigestion. The fix is simple. Wait at least 60 minutes after waking up, and always have a small protein-rich snack or a full breakfast before your first sip. Habit number 2 is the healthy sugar trap. We've been told that cereal and flavored yogurt are the breakfast of champions. The truth is that most of these are ultra-processed foods loaded with hidden sugars and emulsifiers. These additives feed the bad bacteria in your gut, leading to inflammation and leaky gut syndrome. Even low-fat versions are often packed with artificial sweeteners that disrupt your metabolic health. Instead, switch to whole foods like oats, eggs, or Greek yogurt with fresh berries and seeds. Habit number 3 is the morning screen spiral. You might wonder how your phone affects your gut. It is all about the gut-brain axis. When you check emails or social media immediately, you are hit with a microstress response. This activates your fight or flight system, which instantly slows down digestion. If your brain is stressed, your gut cannot process nutrients effectively. Give yourself at least 30 minutes of phone-free time to let your digestive system wake up naturally. Habit number 4 is rushing your meal. In the daily hustle, we often inhale our food. Remember, digestion starts in the mouth, not the stomach. When you eat too fast, you don't chew enough, and you swallow excess air. This causes bloating and puts immense pressure on your stomach to break down large food particles, leading to poor nutrient absorption. Practice mindful eating and try to chew your food at least 20 times per bite. Your gut will thank you. Habit number 5 involves hydration mistakes. Your body wakes up dehydrated. Many people go straight for juice or tea, skipping plain water entirely. Even worse, drinking ice-cold water first thing in the morning can shock your digestive enzymes. The best way to start your day is with 16 ounces of room temperature or lukewarm water to flush your system and kickstart bile production. Small changes in your morning lead to massive shifts in your health. Choose one habit to change this week, and you will feel the difference in your energy and digestion. If you found this science-backed advice helpful, hit the subscribe button for the Wellness Lab and join our global community. Stay healthy, and I will see you in the next video.